Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to convert this task into a bug or a defect in Jira. For that, guys, so as soon as you click on these three dots, click on move. So as soon as you click on move, it will show what is the current issue type. The current issue type is task, and the issue type is also task. Here, you can change the issue type task to bug. So now the task, whatever you had, the issue type is now changed to bug. Okay, click on next. So the type is task and it's a bug. Click on confirm. As you can see here, the issue type is converted to a bug, which was previously task. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.